Hi, my name is Samir Malik. I'm a private tutor for middle school and high school students in Austin, Texas. Today we're going to solve absolute value inequalities, and I will also show this to you by graphing. Absolute value of any number is a positive number for that number. So for example, if you have the absolute value of 5, you would get 5. The absolute value for negative 5 would equal 5. The absolute value for negative 100 would equal 100. And the absolute value for 2, for example, would be 2. So now we're going to graph these absolute value inequalities so you have a better understanding of how it all works. We have an absolute value of, say, x plus 2. And is greater than 5. And we need to graph this because this is an absolute value equation or inequality, which we need to graph. So first of all, we need to solve it so that way x plus 2 equals 5, so we know x has to equal 3. So if x is greater than 3, the equation is true. Now we need to solve it so that x plus 2 equals negative 5. That makes x equal negative 7. So if x is less than negative 7, then we have the inequality to be true as well. And then we need to graph this inequality, and we can go ahead and graph this on a number line where we have the points x equals 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll go ahead and make a arrow like this and then shade it going this way because it has to be greater than 3. And then we have negative 7, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7 is right here. We'll draw a circle on that and we'll move in this direction here. So we were able to see here that in this equation, linear equation, we have x to be greater than 3 and x has to be less than negative 7 for this absolute value inequality to be true. So here we're able to understand how to solve for absolute value inequalities. Plus, I have been able to demonstrate this to you by illustrating it on a graph and solving an example of an absolute value inequality.